How to fix Minecraft error code drowned. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Minecraft error code drowned. The Minecraft error code drowned usually indicates an issue with signing in to your Microsoft account. Then, close the game completely and reopen it. Now, go to Settings and Profile. Then, go to Clear Account Sign-In Data. Confirm the action and restart the game. Next, open the Services app. Find and restart the following services: Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live GameSafe, and Xbox Live Networking Service. Now ensure you have a stable internet connection. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. If the issue persists, contact Minecraft support for further assistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.